Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Wait till you see this cake. It is the prettiest red velvet cake I've ever made. It's great any time of the year, but why not make it this Valentine's Day? Let me show you how to make this yummy cake and let's get started. I'm gonna start by mixing the dry ingredients, and I have here 280 grams of cake flour. I added a touch of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I mix very well and I set it aside, and I'm gonna work on the wet ingredients. This cake is so easy and it requires only 2 eggs. I added 2 eggs and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. I mix for a minute or two, and now it's lighter in color and it's ready for some vanilla extract. I add vanilla extract and 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and I'm gonna add some food coloring, red food coloring, enough to make it bright red. About 1 tablespoon, I'll say. I'm using gel coloring here, and this is the color that I'm looking for. Now that I'm happy with the color, I add the dry ingredients, mix just until combined. Look at this red, beautiful color. It's perfect. For your convenience, I'm gonna leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And for this cake, I'm gonna use a heart-shaped mold. I buttered and floured the inside very well. I add the batter, bake at 350 for 45 minutes. It's out of the oven, looking perfect. I release the mold and I'm gonna divide it into 3 slices. But before I do that, I'm gonna prep some chocolate to go on top of the cake. And this is some white chocolate that I colored and I divided into 2 parts. And for the perfect filling, I have room temperature everything, the butter, the cream cheese. 2 packages of cream cheese, 8 ounces each, 226 grams of butter unsalted, a touch of vanilla, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. I mix them together until very creamy and fluffy. And as always, if you like my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media, the links are going to be in the description box below. And now I'm going to slice the cake into 3 even slices, fill with the cream cheese filling. This cake turned out so moist and it's so festive, especially for an occasion like Valentine's Day. I think I'm gonna scrape the sides and give it the naked look. I don't want too much icing on the sides. But you do whatever you like, decorate it the way you want. Here I'm gonna add the chocolate that I made earlier. You can leave the way it is, or you can add some edible glitter and gold leaf. Decorate the way you like. I'm gonna cut into it and show you how it looks on the inside. Now that's a moist cake, and look at this color. I love it. I hope you give it a try soon and leave me any comment or question in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!